been a long time since I've made a video that didn't require any sort of safety gear. Yep, here we are. Old solar panels versus new solar panels. Are old solar panels bad? Are new ones good? Let's find out. Now we're in phase 2 of the purpose of the trailer, and that's to move me down to Texas. It's over 1,600 miles each way. Towards that end, there's a few creature comforts I need to add to this thing. And one of them involves, well, electricity. So 2 of these solar panels were on the property when I bought them. The previous owner was using them to keep the battery in the boat charged. They're old. They're both Siemens panels. They're pretty good, but they're old. And these 2 solar panels here, well, they're newer ones. They're not exactly a known name brand like Siemens is over there. They're a Chinese company. And these are portable ones. They fold up. I've been using these actually on shoots to keep cameras that are far away charged up and powered up, and they've been doing well for that. But I wanted to compare the 2. These panels could be as old as 25 years old. I don't exactly know. We're going to start with this newer Chinese panel here. This one's rated at 120 watts. By the way, it's mid-March. It's a bit chilly out. It's in the 40s Fahrenheit. So it's kind of cold. Late afternoon, it's pushing 4 o'clock. So this is far from optimal conditions, but these are real conditions. All right, let me rig up the connector here. All right, first let's check voltage output. Oh, it's pretty strong. 22 volts. She's kicking 22 volts. That's pretty good. Again, 120 watt rated panel. It's the highest rated panel here. That's 120, that's a 60, that's a 75, and that's a 48. So now let's see what its short circuit current is. Almost 4 amps is coming out of that thing. All right, that's the new 120 watt panel. Oh, I smell something burning. It's got to be the resistor. Is it the resistor? Oh yeah, nice and toasty. Actually smells like a racetrack. Weird. Check out the voltage on the 60 watt panel. 22.62. It's kicking out a higher voltage. Shall we check the current? Oh, this one we can short. 1.84 amps. That's pretty good. That's a pretty good result. I'm impressed with that. Moving on to Mr. 75 watts. Now, I'm not sure what the date code on either one of these 2 panels is. I'll put up pictures of the labels, but they do look old. If you do know what the date codes are based on the labels, go ahead and put it in the comments down below. I'd love to know. As usual, voltage first. And voltage on this guy, 20.27 volts. And short circuit current, 3.195 amps. It's almost as much as the 120 watt panel. For an older panel, that's still pretty good. Now we're going to test this 48 watt panel. This is the one that's actually going on the roof of the trailer. I've already got magnets attached to the bottom of this guy here. They're spaced just in line with the ribs in the ceiling up there. So it is what it is. The first thing to check on this panel, of course, is the voltage. See where we're at. 18.28. It is rated at a lower voltage. Now let's see what kind of current it puts out. .3. So this 20-plus-year-old, very likely 20-plus-year-old Siemens panel that's only rated at 48 watts puts out more current than the 60 watt new panel. Draw your conclusions from what you will. Let's go put this thing up on the roof so I can charge up the 1400 watt hour lithium power bank. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.